What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I already recorded this video like 2 days ago, and then I lost the footage, so we're gonna do it again. I do have to hurry because the wind is ripping and it looks like we are about to absolutely get poured on. It was supposed to rain today, so it's not very surprising, but anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. Today's verse of the day is John 13:34. A new commandment I give to you, love one another as I have loved you. And that verse needs no description. I mean, I don't need to tell you what it means. Just love each other. There's nothing in this world that you can do that would be better than to love someone else and show compassion. So just love each other, people. The point of this video is I woke up a couple days ago and I got a package in the mail. And that package is the Super 6 sack from 6 Sense Fishing. And I wanted to, unbox it and show you guys and then go try to catch some fish. But like I said, none of that really worked out. So I'm gonna go through what I got in here really quick, and then we're gonna get out and try to catch some fish on it. So let's open this bad boy up. First of all, what I can say is this bag is ridiculous. It's really good quality, and it's a lot better. It feels better getting a monthly subscription box that comes in a bag. And I know usually it comes in like a little sack, which is still better than a cardboard box in my opinion, because you can keep them. But this is an actual bait bag, so it holds soft plastics and stuff, which is awesome because I need one. So first of all, we have the Speed Glide, and it's in 4K shad. I will show you guys these closer up in just a second. Then we have the Crush Mini 25 MD, and this is a thread fin shad color. I know you guys can't see right now, but here in a second you'll see. The quality on these baits are ridiculous. Then we have, this is the Neon Sunfish, a Crush 50S. It's the silent model, Neon Sunfish. Then we have a Divine Swim jig, which it's not in here because I used it the other day and I didn't put it back, but it's right here. I'll let you guys check it out. Looks awesome. Even the detail on the jig head is insane. It's ridiculous. And then last but definitely not least, it's one of my favorites in the bag, is the Crush 100X, and it's the silent model, and it's in Tiger Truce. Yeah, Tiger Truce. This thing looks ridiculous. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these out and show you a closer look while I'm getting ready, and then we're gonna go out there and hopefully be able to catch some fish. Like I said, this is Jenkins Lake, so I don't really do too well here, but I haven't fished here since it started warming up, so hopefully those bass have moved up more shallow, which is another good thing about 6 Sense here. Just like Mystery Tackle Box, they send you baits that they think will do good at that time of year. So because it's spring and the bass should be moving up, all of these are shallow diving crankbaits. And then this Speed Glide is a glide bait, obviously. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready and let you guys check these out close up. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Alright, so I'm rigged up. I'm going to start with this Crush 100, the silent, in Tiger Truce. The reason I'm going to start with this is because you can't really beat this color during the springtime. That red, orange, and I'm just going to bring it across these shallow flats and rock points, and hopefully we'll be able to get us a fish, or 2 or 3. Just depends. Just because the water clarity is not too great, I threw on this chatterbait. Now I know it's not 6 Sense, but we're still gonna try some of those baits just here in a second. Well, as long as we don't get rained out. I'm gonna spare you about 2 hours of boredom. I fished this entire bank line until finally I got down there to that end, and it's about 1.5 feet deep. It's really shallow. It's a huge flat, and it's also where all the pads come up, so there's a bunch of pad stems. And I saw what looked like a bunch of beds, but when I got down there it was just like big holes in the ground. I don't know what it was, but I did manage to catch one fish out of there, which you'll see in a second. But I didn't want to show you all of that fishing leading up to that one fish, because now the plan is I'm going to go back to my car, drive to the other side, and walk that bank line, because it's full of laydowns, rock piles, just all kinds of cover that I think that they'll probably be stacked up on. So that's the plan. So you guys stay tuned. Enjoy the rest of the video. Hopefully we can find a few more. If they're not back here, I don't know where they're at. There's a goose back here. I don't want to mess with that. What's up, buddy? Oh, I just seen a fish. Spooked him off. There's one. All right. Oh, he came right off. Heck yeah, guys. They are back here. It would make sense. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's extremely shallow. Maybe a foot, 1.5 feet. So it makes sense that they would be pushed back here. It's really warm. I think there's a bed right here because that's where I seen that one run off from. But we may have found the spot. So we're gonna keep fishing here and hopefully we can pull in a few more. All right. See you later, dude. Thanks for biting. There he goes. Oh. That came on this Z-Man original chatterbait in the bluegill pattern, and I have one of those shad rage swimmers, I believe is what it's called. I don't remember exactly the color, but that's what it came on. See if we can grab some more. So goose, please move. I don't want to be attacked, but I need to get by you, bro. I just need right here. Just a little bit further. Come on, be a pal. 6 feet away, social distancing. Oh, you're gonna go to my spot? Okay, all right, that's cool. All right, good luck, dude. Made it to the other side. Sorry if the wind is ripping, but if the fish are doing what I think they're doing, we should be able to find a couple. I brought a couple baits with me to switch out, but I think I'm gonna stick with the chatterbait for the most part. I don't know, we'll see. I got a crazy feeling that we're gonna catch a good one on this side. That's saying a lot for this pond. Oh, that's a fish. That's a good one. What did I say, guys? What did I say? He absolutely hammered that chatterbait. I said it. I had a good feeling we were going to catch a good one over here. Man, that's a 4-pounder. Yes. Look at that. It just came right out. He was just held on by pressure. That chatterbait. Oh, man, that is a beauty. That is an absolute beauty. Yes. All right, guys. Look at this thing right here. It's a nice, healthy, fat, about 4 pounds.
She's gorgeous. I knew coming onto this side was gonna be the deal. This is definitely the biggest fish that I've ever caught out of this pond, but I didn't even know it was a fish. I was just slow rolling that chatterbait and I kind of just felt it start tugging and I was like, that's a fish. Yes. Doesn't get any better than that. Let's see if we can get some more. Let's get this beauty back in the water. All right, one more look at her. Big old pre-spawn fatty. Let's get down in here. Oh man, just look at that gut. She's ready. Thank you, girl. Really sharp teeth. Beautiful, beautiful fish. There she goes. Oh, today is turning out to be a fantastic day. It doesn't get any better than that, man. Yes. See if we can catch some more. I'm not sure if it's alive or not, but there's a turtle. Oh yeah, he's alive. Check him out, big red-eared slider. Look at this big guy. Whoa. That's a big dude. See if he'll say hi. Say hi, buddy. All right, let's put him in the water. There he goes. Check him out. Well, that's cool. All right. This should be where it happens. I mean, it's already happened over there, but it should happen again. Yep. Called it. Called it. I knew it was happening. It's a good almost 2 pounds. He's really feisty. I'm gonna go ahead and get him back in. Yes. All right. See you later, dude. I knew it. I knew coming back here would be the right move. We have now caught 3 fish out of this place that we usually get skunked at, and they're not bad fish either. The first one was pretty small, but the other 2, pretty good fish. Right here in this spot on the other side of the dam, early fall last year, I'd done extremely well, and you know, that's awesome, but it kind of spoiled me because now I have high expectations every single time I come back here, and sometimes, you know, it doesn't happen the way I want it to. There's another one. Number 4. Oh man. This is just too fun. This is just too fun. Now I know this is one of the smaller ones of the day, but man, I don't mind. If I'm catching fish, I'm having a blast. See you, dude. All right, guys, that's gonna have to do it. Today was awesome. Like, I have never been to this pond and caught more than one fish, except for in the fall, and I still didn't catch anything like of size. I'm stoked. I'm jacked. And you know, unfortunately, I didn't get to use a lot of the 6th Sense baits, but it's just the conditions, they just weren't right for it, so you know, you can't really help that. Today was one of the best days of the year so far. I can't complain. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, leave a like, drop a comment. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring the little bell so YouTube will notify you when I upload, so you don't miss any of this awesomeness. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.